So I just took my rollaway bed out of the box. You can see here I've got everything laid out. There really aren't that many parts at all. And it looks like everything is labeled. Looks pretty simple. Let's go ahead and I'm going to put together and then we'll go over the features. So I've got everything put together. You can expect around 15 to 20 minutes to go ahead and assemble everything. What I liked about the mattress when I took it out of its vacuum seal, it inflated to its size probably within like 15 to 30 minutes, which is fantastic. It looks really nice and thick, and we'll go over that in just a minute. It does have these Velcro straps. We've got two on each side, so we can go ahead and wrap this strap around the frame itself to make sure it's held in place. When the rollaway bed is folded, it's really nice and compact. Now we do have a cover that you can go ahead and just cover this up when it's not in use. That way it's going to go ahead and keep all the dust off. And it does have rollers, which they are lockable. But when they aren't lockable, they roll around real easily. So it's really easy to move it from maybe from a closet to a bedroom or to a living room if someone's going to sleep in this temporarily. We do have a latch right here. It just holds everything together. Now, when you are going to go ahead and unfold it, what you want to do is just open this up. Go ahead and just make sure these latches are nice and secure on both sides. And then we can go ahead and lower the bed. So we're just going to latch it, lay it down, and there you go. You got a twin size bed. The mattress is really just nice and thick. It's just nice foam here. And of course, we've got a white top and the gray bottom. And honestly, it feels really good. You put some blankets here and a pillow, and I think someone's going to enjoy sleeping on this. It's definitely good to have an extra bed here that you can always have maybe guests come over, and if you don't have room for them, put out the fold-out bed, and you're ready to go. Hope you found this review helpful.